Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Pad 3D, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up your content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for a screenshot, so home screen is already open and visible. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible right now on your screen. Once that is the case, hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You have a flash and a pop-up with scroll screenshot and share options. After a moment it will disappear. Once it disappears, you can find your screenshot in your Photos application, and here you want to navigate to Library and Screenshots, and obviously in here you'll find screenshots that I have captured over the time, and this is the one that I have just captured on the video. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.